Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create an interesting project. We will create an Python AI text summarizer and we will be using the open source tools such as the Streamlit, Hugging Face, APIs and Python. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand what are the prerequisites for this project. So you need to have the Python installed in your system and you need to install these libraries in your Python and you need a free Hugging Face account and we need to create an API token which we will use to access the model in the Hugging Face using the Hugging Face APIs. And you need a proper internet connection because we are using the Hugging Face API, so we need internet connection because through internet we will be accessing those APIs. So what you will learn in this application? So we will learn that how we can use the Hugging Face pre-trained models via their inference APIs for real world natural language processing task like we are going to do today, text summarization. We will build an interactive web app using the Streamlit and we will take the input from the user and we will display the AI generated result in the real time. We will see how securely we can manage the API's keys using the environment variables and the python.env package. We will make the HTTP post request in the Python to communicate with the external APIs to handle the JSON response. And we will do the basic prompt engineering and we'll do the parameter changes to tune our model to control the summary length and quality from the model's output. So that is the interesting topic for today. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful and if you are learning something new today. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now let's see the demo how we are going to build this project and how it will work. So let's get started. So first of all, let me run this project so that we can see how this application is working. So let me run it. So this is the Streamlit application. So we need to use this command streamlit run app.py. This is my application name. Now I will do the enter. So now see, this is my application. This is the text summarizer. Summarize any text using the BART. We are using the BART model using the Hugging Face API. A powerful model fine-tuned for summarization. Enter text to summarize. So here we need to enter the text which we want to summarize. So you can take any text, any paragraph. So I am taking this from Google. Let me enter it. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm clicking on summarize button. See, now it has created the summary. We had given this so much lengthy paragraph and it has summarized all the text to 3 lines of word. See, this is good, right? And this is very useful for us because in our day-to-day life, like in any meetings or in any business meetings or in any article, we need to summarize those things. So this is very useful application. So now let's see how this project is working in the background. Let's understand the code. So first of all, we need to import all the required libraries which we installed in our Python. So we are using the Streamlit because we have created our web UI using the Streamlit. So we need to import Streamlit application, Streamlit module. Then we are importing the request because here we will access the model using the Hugging Face API and we will create a post request to that API. So that is why we are using the request module, and we need to use the OS module because we will access the environment variables. Because we have our API key in this .env file for security purpose. This is the best practice to always secure your API keys or secret things in an environment variable. So here also we are saving our API key in .env file, and we are using OS module to access the environment variables, and from .env import load.env we will load this env file in our application in this code. Okay, so here we are using load.env. Using this function we will get the API from the .env file in this code. So os.get.env Hugging Face API key. So it is loading the API key in this code. Next is we are mentioning the API URL. This is the Hugging Face URL, and this is the model URL which we are using in this application. So we are using the BART large CNN. This is the model name. We are accessing this model using the Hugging Face API. So this is the API URL. And since we are going to make an post request, so we will give the details of headers. We need to provide the authorization. Means for authentication, we need to give this Hugging Face API key. And content type is application JSON. We are giving the input in the JSON format. So now here this is the main function which will summarize our code, which will summarize our text. So here this is the function summarize text, and it will take input text which we entered in our application in the text box, and max token is equal to 150. So it will generate the output in 150 words. This value we can change, and as per this value we will get the summary. So here we have mentioned 150 words, so we will get the summarized text only for 150 words. Then payload is the input which we are giving. Input is input text, parameters, max length is the maximum number of tokens, maximum number of words which we want as a summarize word we want only for 150 words, and minimum length will be 30. So from 30 to 150 words we will get an summarized text. And do some sample is equal to false means it will not generate any new text or any new sentences because we are just summarizing it, so we don't need any new word in this, any new sentence that is not meaningful. So that is why it is do sample is equal to false, so it will not make it more random or creative. Response is equal to request dot post. So here we are sending our API URL. API URL is the Hugging Face API URL. So to the API URL, we are sending the post request. We are giving the headers for authentication and payload. This is the payload. So we are giving all the details to the API URL. We are sending it to Hugging Face API, and from there we will get the response. And if the response code is equal to 200 means that is the successful, so it will return a summary of the text. And if the response is other than 200, so it will return request failed with the status code. So means request is failed. So this is how our function is working, and this is the main part of this web app, because here we are taking the input and we are sending the post request to the Hugging Face API, and then if it is successful, so we will get a summarized text. And if there is any issue and we got any error, so it will fail, it will send a message that it is failed. And this is the UI, means Streamlit UI, which we use for web page. So here this is for page configuration. Here we are setting the page title, then layout, page title is text summarizer, st.markdown, so it will print in the web page that summarize any text using BART. So this it will show in the web page. Then it is the text box. It will create a text box. Height is equal to 300, so it will create a large text box with the height of 300. And if st.button summarize means once this button is clicked, so it will again check one more condition. Input.text.strip means first it will remove the extra spaces from starting or end of the sentence of the paragraph from the input sentence. Then it will create the summary of input text. So here it is creating. So it is calling the summarized text, which we explained before, that summarized text is the main function which will do the summarize, that will summarize your text. So summary will call this summarized text. Input text we are giving as an input, and once it is successful, if summary is true, so then it will add the summary in the below the summary button. So it will add all the summary below the summary button. So this is how this code is working. Else, otherwise, if there is no text, so it will give the warning, please enter some text to summarize. So this is how this code is working. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. And if you have any thoughts, please comment in comment section. So let me rerun this code so that you can see again. Enter. So now see. So now let me do Google and enter some other sentences, some other paragraph. Okay, let me Gen AI. You can summarize any text. Let me take this one. Okay. So I have entered this text and see, this is the summarize button. Once I will click on it, so it will create a post request to the Hugging Face API URL, and that will send the response. And if it is success, so we will get a summary of these sentences, of these paragraph. And if there is any issue, so we should get an error. So let me click on summarize. So it is generating summary, and now we have the summary. See, now it has created very interesting project, right? So it has created the summary. Let me try one more thing. If we are not entering anything and I am clicking on summarize, let me summarize. So now it is asking, please enter some text to summarize. So code is working as per our expectation. And this LLM is giving us the response as per our requirement. So it's good. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, share and subscribe. That's all for today. And if you want to do any other thing,